Experiencing pairing or cellular connectivity issues between your iPhone and Apple Watch Ultra 3? You're not alone. Many users face problems with initial pairing, eSIM activation, and cellular setup. The core issue often involves Bluetooth interference, incompatible iOS versions requiring iOS 18 Plus, or software glitches. Common fixes include force unpairing the watch, restarting both devices, and repairing. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and devices are close together. For cellular connectivity, ensure your carrier supports eSIM on the Apple Watch. If eSIM activation fails, contact your carrier for manual activation codes. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network during setup. Don't forget to check for watchOS and iOS updates, as these often contain crucial bug fixes. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Apple Watch Ultra 3 connectivity issues, advanced fixes can help restore proper pairing and cellular functionality. Start by resetting network settings on your iPhone. This clears any corrupted network configurations that might be interfering with pairing. If pairing issues persist, erase all content and settings on your Apple Watch, then restore from an iCloud backup. User reports show this resolves many persistent problems. For carrier-specific problems, like with Verizon, manually add the eSIM profile using the carrier's app. Also, watch for region-locked eSIMs during international travel. Looking ahead, expect improved integration with AI-assisted troubleshooting and better cross-device syncing in future watchOS updates. The trend toward eSIM-only devices promises streamlined connectivity, but user education on eSIM fundamentals and proactive carrier checks remain essential.